Hi everyone, I am Bhagyalakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today we discuss about the problems based on the quadratic forms. So the first one is find the matrix of the quadratic form 2x square plus 3y square plus 2x square plus 2xy. So the quadratic form is given, we want to write in the matrix format. So matrix format, nothing it is, we know the formula for the given matrix. So we can comparatively we can calculate these values. The we want to check in the given equation x squared value, y squared value and z squared value. These three values are given and then xy values are given. So xy means first easily we can write the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square, coefficient of z square. So all these three values we can write easily. So 2, 3, 2. We are writing in the diagonal easily. Next step is to write the xy. So xy means this is the position for xy and yx. These two are equal. And here we want to consider only half of the value. So here the coefficient is 2. So 2 by 2 each is equal to 1. So that 1 we are writing here and here. The remaining values nothing having in a given equation. So put 0 in all the remaining values. So easily we got a quadratic equation for this matrix. So this is the way to calculate the quadratic form to matrix form. You can check one more sum, that the another one sum is the matrix format is quadratic form is given x square and y square. This alone given. So in the diagonal coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square directly we can write, and the remaining values are not given. So each and every value put 0. So within a step we got the equation for this given quadratic form. So easily we got a equation. Another one example we can write. So in this example we can check the equation. So the coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square and coefficient of z square. So these three values 6 and 3. These three coefficients we can write directly, and then the remaining values we want to write it as half of the value. So xy coefficient is -4, that is the divided by 2 is -2. So here -2 we are writing in these two positions, and then the another value will y is coefficient is -2. So -2 divided by 1 is -1. So in the position of y is it here and zy, these two position we can write this -1. Our next value is xz. So xz coefficient is 4. So in the 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that value we can write instead of this xz and y zx. In these two positions we can write. So easily we can write these two positions. So this way we got a quadratic form to matrix form. So we check the next one. Simultaneously we know and already if it is the matrix is given, we want to convert in this term into quadratic formula format, means that also is possible. So for this we are using the given matrix a11 x1 square plus a22 x2 square plus a33 x3 square plus 2a12 x1 x2 plus a23 x2 x3 plus 2a31 x3 x1. This formula already we discussed. So just instead of this comparing with this matrix, instead of that value we are going to write in that places. So a11 is 1. So that value I am writing a11 value. a22 is 2. So that 2 value we can write directly here. And then a33 is 3. So that 3 we are writing here. So the first the diagonal elements are over. Next value is x1 x2. So first row second column. So first row second column this position and this position. These two positions we want to write. So in these two positions x1 x2 having the coefficient as 2. So 2 divided by 2 we get the answer as 1. So that 1 only we want to write in these two positions. Half of the value only we want to write there. And then next value is uh, the a x2 a23 x2 x3. So 2 x2 x3 is the position value is minus 1. So multiplying with these two value, minus 1 into 2 is minus this value plus 1 plus 1. So 1 is the value for this x2 and x3. So the value of 2